one of my drops. Hello guys, so I just got a package from a suspicious delivery. I don't know why, but it's a Oreo. He said it's from Shopee. Is it Shopee or Lazada? Lazada. Ow! And guys, let's just open the Oreo. Okay, it's called by honestly. But I ordered a real Oreo in Shopee or Lazada. Right? Wait. Look like this thing. Let me eat it first. Yeah, don't eat that. Let's eat the Oreo. Ew! Is that flavor Chick-fil-A? Hi. Sorry for the white screen, but I just spent $1,000 from the bank. Oreo! Oh shit!